Oh my goodness.
Pork belly.
Portable monitor. You got some bleed stop. Has a tourniquet. I don't think I've ever seen any YouTuber that made a s'mores inside the rooftop tent. Probably one of the nicest dispersed camping here. A shout out to Awesome. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So for our first trip of 2025, we are heading to Telephone Cove. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about this place, but I am a little concerned that it might be packed because it is the weekend. I'm just hoping we can find a spot. And also, for this trip, I kind of want to talk about some of the emergency gear that I bring whenever I go to an area that I'm not aware of. Safety is always a priority of mine, especially when my families are with me. And also, I'm gonna be cooking a meal that never made it before, but it's gonna be a fairly simple, so stay tuned. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ray. Welcome to our Adventureland. All right, we made it. I'm gonna quickly show you guys our area right now. Look at this. It's not a lot of people. Got mostly RVs, van. Pretty strong too. But my favorite part of this is this. You put it on the other side. It's a blower. Alright guys, I'm pretty excited for today's meal. We're gonna be making chicharron. I don't know where it originated, but I know that us Filipino, we eat this a lot, or lechon. Either one of those. Alright, let's start by boiling some water. And put this in there. So with the water boiling, we're gonna go ahead, throw some onions, garlic, black pepper, corn, bay leaves, and just some garlic salt. We're just gonna leave this here boiling for about 30 minutes. While we're waiting, let's go ahead and talk about my emergency bag. It's a small tactical shoulder bag. So here it is. It's a small shoulder bag. Has a tourniquet on the side. Multi-tool. What we got here is an extra mag. This is for the Zoleo satellite communication. It's in here. Then you have flashlights over here, and you got a marker. All right, what we have on the inside over here is my Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0. You got some bleed stop, cortisone, adhesive tape, and eye drops. So this is the Zoleo. Well, right here, you got some life straw, compressed bandage, all this cotton balls. Got a CPR mask, headlamp, glow sticks, tape, charger, and of course you have all this stuff: bandage, gloves, emergency poncho, and what else? Emergency thermal blanket, another gloves, and alcohol prep. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what else I should add in here. The pork should be done soon, so let's go ahead and make some guacamole. I did forget some tomatoes, but it's all good. That's actually my favorite part of this, is the tomatoes. Let's go ahead and check on our pork belly. This should be done. I can see it. It smells really good. The onion, bay leaves, garlic, salt, all the ingredients blend super well in here. The aroma. Pat it down. Look at the cute duck. It's getting close. I always wonder how well that works on the sand. That dude's cruising. We're gonna go ahead and just cook some vegetables. Always eat your vegetables. Alright guys, I'm finally done here. This is the meal. Got some vegetables, a cup of rice, and the final product, chicharron. Let's go. I'm pretty excited. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. That's pretty good. It's probably one of the nicest dispersed camping here in Nevada. With this spot, I wouldn't mind coming back. But of course, next time I'm gonna bring my family with me. I will be prepared because it is pretty windy. That's about it. Other than that, it's not too cold. Now, every time I say it's not too cold, I always jinx myself. Never mind. But as of now, it's not too cold. The view is amazing. Can't wait for sunrise. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my food. And we're not done for the night. I'm gonna be making some s'mores. So pretty excited with that. But of course, it won't be the traditional making s'mores over the fire. It's gonna be something different, so stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and set up our gaming station. But first, I kind of want to talk about this portable monitor. I saw this on YouTube. Somebody was using them. Instead of me bringing an actual TV, we could utilize this portable monitor. It's about 15.5 inch. And has HDMI Type C. Even has volume and everything here. So hopefully this works on a PlayStation. But I'm gonna show you guys my setup in the tent. Here it is. It's my gaming setup inside the Hima Hotham rooftop tent. Yo, this Vision Owl TV or monitor is pretty bright. Where's my team at? No help, Brody.
We're taking control. Scout post online.
Stupid. Come on. Easy win. Let's go. Alright guys, I don't think I've ever seen any YouTuber that made a s'mores inside the rooftop tent. So I guess I'm gonna be the first. I could be wrong, but personally I've never seen anyone done it. Is it be possible with this? I bought this at Costco. It was on sale Black Friday. I think it was like $19. It's a s'mores maker. So, pretty pumped about this. Let's go. I think this thing pulls about 1200 watts. But yeah, the EcoFlow can handle it. I've used this one time. I got some marshmallow, chocolate, and some graham crackers. Let's go plug this bad boy in. Let's see. Yeah, hopefully it works. I only brought one chocolate because I know I'm gonna be full with that chicharron. Technically still full. Alright, let's turn it on. The good thing about this is that it's kind of gonna heat up the place as well. It's no propane, so it's just heat. Pretty excited actually. Days like this when it's windy, man, you gotta figure out a way. I'm trying to be creative. Figure out a different way to make s'mores or play games or whatever it may be. Oh, it's heating up. Might take a minute. This thing probably drained all the battery from the EcoFlow. Let me just double check how much wattage it's pulling. Oh, disregard. It's not bad. It's only drawing about 357. Wow. That's pretty neat. This is the first. Just saying, guys. I'm the first one that ever made s'mores inside the rooftop tent. He's falling. Oh snap. Let's go. The chocolate. Boom. Squeeze it. Let me turn this off. It's getting hot in here. Oh, look at that. See the marshmallow? It worked, guys. It worked. Sorry for the mess. Pretty messy. Oh my goodness. Alright, I think I'm done eating for the night. So it's currently 12 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm still having sleep. I've been playing. And also it's been very windy. I'm amazed the tent is handling all this wind. I feel like the car is gonna flip over how strong the wind is. But yeah, I already brushed my teeth. Everything else got ready. And I'm going to bed. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Good morning, guys. It's very windy. This tent held up pretty well though, so I'm super happy. But next time when we do come here, I'm gonna try to position myself all the way at the end on the very left side so the wind won't affect it as much. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.